Good morning, everyone. It's Stephen Whiteside here from theuptrend.com with your morning market outlook for Wednesday, April 8th, 2026. Before we get to the markets, I just wanted to apologize. We've been late the last two nights. Monday night, it was an anomaly. Last night was just a repeat of Monday night, even though we walked through everything yesterday afternoon. My eyes are little slits at the moment. I can't believe I'm, still at this age. I'm reading Visual Basic code and trying to make changes, things I do not want to be doing. So we'll run through it again this afternoon and make sure we're ready for tonight once again. But again, I really, really apologize for being late the last two nights. Now, this morning, we've got a big pop in the markets. Apparently, there's a ceasefire in the Middle East. I don't want to talk about that, the war of stupidity. So here we are popping in the pre-market. We've got crude oil down over 17% in the futures contracts. We've got gold up in the pre-market this morning. So looking at the USO, it is trading down at this level at the moment. It's down over 14%. So if it closes there, that would certainly give us a daily sell signal. We would expect daily sell signals through most of the energy sector today if we close where we're going to open. And remember, we're looking for the closing price, not the opening price. Looking at the XLE, we're trading down at this level at the moment. So we'll be watching those prices throughout the day, but so far there's not much to do in the pre-market on Wednesday morning. Now, yesterday morning at this time, we were looking at the VIX and the VIX ETFs all on sell signals, and what do you know? The VIX moved up yesterday. It is certainly down in the pre-market this morning. There's the Dow. We're coming in today on a buy signal. The big winner yesterday was United Health, which was up nearly 10% on the day, followed by Chevron, which is on a sell signal. We were talking about looking for a close below last week's low. That could happen today. JP Morgan was the next big winner on the Dow. Then looking at the S&P 500, the big winner was Paramount, followed by Humana, followed by CVS. CVS up 6.74% on the day, so a nice pop for that stock. Looking at the NASDAQ 100, here's where we get into new buy signals. We've got Broadcom coming back yesterday. We've got CrowdStrike back on a buy signal, joining Palo Alto Networks already on a buy signal, trading up to the March highs there, seeing if we're going to be able to break through that on Wednesday. And then last up this morning, looking at the TSX, the TSX 60 moved up yesterday, new high for this move. The big winner was Esso, which is probably going to be a big loser on Wednesday. Franco-Nevada was the next big winner, followed by Celestica. Then if we broaden the market out a bit and look at the Vanguard Canada Total Market ETF, there we are making a new high for this move. The big winner was Wesdome Gold, followed by International Petroleum, followed by Aris Mining. Those were the big winners on the TSX Composite. Okay, folks, that is all for this morning's presentation. Again, apologize for being late the last two nights. We're going to do everything we can to make sure that doesn't happen again tonight. It looks like we're going to get a big pop at the open, and of course, we're going to be waiting to see how the market closes this afternoon. I know some people are going to be selling into the open, locking in some profits they've made over the last couple of days. They're going to, looks like they're going to make their month of April today. That's just one of many strategies you can employ. Some people are very short-term traders. Some people are following the cycles of the moon. Everybody has a different strategy, and those strategies can be positive or negative at any particular time. Holding on to any stocks you own on Wednesday morning is probably a good thing to do. You have a great day. Next time you'll hear my voice is on Thursday morning.
Thanks for tuning in until the very end of today's stock market timing educational video. If you found the content valuable, don't forget to express your support by hitting the like button, leave a comment, sharing with your friends, and subscribing to our channel for more insightful updates. Remember, in the world of stocks, timing is crucial, and following the trend can be your greatest ally. If you would like more information on how we can help you better time the stock market, please visit theuptrend.com.